2020. What is up, guys? It's happening. It's happening today. Finally, we are doing the, I was about to say Q&A. We are about to do the giveaways. Let me get this camera here. We're finally doing the giveaways. Every year we do the same thing at the end of the year, or actually the first of the year to be exact. We do the giveaways. We give you a bunch of stuff like merch, gift cards, candy, car stuff, cleaning stuff, puppies, anything. We just throw it all in there in a box and we ship it out to you guys. This year it's gonna be harder, a little bit different. How are you gonna win? Let me explain it. All you would have to do is be the first 3 to comment the answers to these 4 questions that I'm about to give you guys. Once you guys do that, you automatically get a gift, the giveaway. But we're gonna do something extra special. The 4th winner, we're gonna leave it to a drawing. So to entry, it's just you answer the same 4 questions, but after the 3rd, so the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, whatever, are gonna be entered a drawing. So on Instagram, I'll be doing a live video on that, and then we would put all the entries, the people that answer the rest of the comments, because I really wanted to hear you guys' opinions and answers to these questions. Pretty fun, pretty straightforward. Let me see, in a few more days, we'll probably give you guys 2, 3, maybe 4 days max, and then we will be doing a Instagram live video. Once we do the live video, we'll randomly take one out and then go about that. You're gonna be a winner. Last year there was 5 winners. We're gonna make this harder on you guys. We're gonna make it 4. And so if you have not guessed it, next year is gonna be 3 winners until finally we get to 1 winner. Wouldn't that be so cool? That would be awesome. It would be something huge. Okay guys, so here are the questions. Number 1, ready? Which French fries are better, Rally's or McDonald's? So you have to choose which ones are better, Rally's or McDonald's. If you guys remember from the last video, the Q&A, Josue and I were arguing about which fries were better. Rally's.
McDonald's.
No,
McDonald's.
Rally's. I was thinking Rally's. Josue was telling me McDonald's. So choose so we can see which ones are better. Next, if you could own 1 car for the rest of your life, just one, which car would that be? Could be like Subaru STI, Evo, Lambo, truck, or car, SUV. I'm very curious to know which one would that be. Number 3, here's a good one. I like this question. If you had a YouTube channel, what type of channel would it be? Could be like makeup channel, car, blogs, anything from puppies to, I don't know, I mean anything. The possibilities are endless. Racing, hobbies. It could be about, you know, self motivational whatever videos. What channel would that be? So write that one down. 4th one, the last one, what would you name it? So whatever channel you would have, what would you call it? So that kind of falls up on the 3rd one. If it's like a DIY car video, then it can be like mods with DIY. I don't know what I'm thinking. I don't know. But you get the idea. What is the name of that channel? So figure it out, write it down quickly, submit it, and the first 3 to get these 4 questions answered, the first 3 automatically get into the giveaways, and then the 4th winner will be just a drawing on the rest. If there's 20 or 30 comments after, then they're all going to be put into a drawing, and then they are going to be drawn out on Instagram live. So hurry up, don't waste any more time. Thank you guys again for your support, for buying parts from Import Unlimited. We are running low. We got to get some more parts. Merch is coming pretty soon, but if you're in the giveaways, then you automatically get that good stuff. So hurry up, don't waste time. But thank you guys for all your comments, for your likes, and it's been so awesome for 2019. Enjoy the giveaways if you win, and if you don't, you still have 1 entry left to get into the to the 4th winner. That's pretty much it for this video, guys, so hurry it up, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for everything from the bottom of my heart. Wish you guys the very best for 2020. I'll see you guys on the next video. on that question. What the freak? No, you got that wrong. What the heck, dude?